just a little pixie dust.
Don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science right there.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like balloons.
Ooh.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now.
It's so dark.
It's echoey in here.
Dory, do something!
Hey, Snappy Jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Look, I'm scared now.
Fisher friends.
Morsel mates, Fisher friends for food.
Oh, the East Australian Prime.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! I've seen before. So many creatures.
Too many!
Swimming past the sea. In the big blue world. All of them around and their needs. Nemo and Friends. In the big blue world. It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? There's so much to know. In the big blue world. Ready to go.
Hey, where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I'm with you friends. I miss the excitement of the dentist's office. Hey, hold by. Have you got any fillings, retainers, crowns? Oh, my goodness, like a root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but they just never stop. I mean, never, never, ever, never, 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 ever, never, never stop.
It never stops, Mom. Never, ever, ever.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are.